How to see and cancel all sent friend requests on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. Today's episode I'll be showing you how to see and cancel all sent friend requests on Facebook. First thing first, before we begin with this procedure, update your application, check your internet connection, and then log in into your Facebook account. So after you're logged into your account, this is how it's going to look like. Once you're on this page, go to your tab bar icon in the upper right. Here you need to go ahead and click on friends from the list. After that, you'll be able to see all of your friend lists. So you need to go to your friends. After that, what you need to do is, once you're on this page, you need to click on three dot icon located right on top. After that, go to view sent requests, which is right over here, and these are all the pending friend requests. Here you can see. In order to delete all of them, you'll need to cancel it one after the others. As you can see, these are all the list of pending friend requests. So once you've cancelled all of these, you need to refresh it, and that is basically how you can see and cancel all your sent friend requests on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.